Bamboo basket weaving is often a traditional craft passed down through generations in many cultures. But do you know how these baskets are made? Let's take a look. The process starts with a lot of bamboo. After that, thin strips of different sizes and lengths are cut. Then, the long strips are knotted together and tied tightly into a circular framework, in which a small bamboo ring is placed in the centre for support. These baskets are crafted for aesthetic purposes, like chapati storage in Indian culture. As well as that, they are used as home decor or gift items. Here, strips are turned inside out for a better grip of the whole structure. Then an extra part has been cut for the next process. Look how perfectly fitting it has been made by a craft worker. Here, the strip is passed over another strip, attached to the frame, and then on to another strip. As well as that, bamboo strip smoothing is also done so that the bamboo does not injure our hands. Now it is time to make a support on the base of the basket. The basket support is made by weaving the strip of bamboo. Here we see that after making the basket, the structure is being woven with the help of the strips protruding outwards. Finally, the handmade bamboo baskets are ready to use.